Most people just treat AI as a conversational search engine, typing a prompt and waiting for a text response. This process leaves the actual execution of the task, like organizing schedules or formatting spreadsheets, to the person behind the keyboard. These models can function as a background engine. They can pull raw data, route internal messages, and handle the administrative logistics that usually eat up a workday. This creates a digital exoskeleton that you construct in 3 stages, starting with no-code integrations, moving into low-code data pipelines, and eventually deploying locally hosted models. Handing off routine data management to these systems removes the friction from a standard workflow. It allows a professional to allocate their time to deep work rather than manual data entry. Immediate automation is often available inside the apps you already use. In a blank Google Sheet, the Help Me Organize tool can take a single prompt and build a project plan, generating a formatted tracker with drop-down menus and filters in seconds. You can apply this logic to your time management by exporting your Google Calendar history as a raw.ics file. Uploading the file into NotebookLM transforms dates into an intelligent daily log, pinpointing exactly where your schedule bottlenecks. The audio overview feature synthesizes this data into a listenable conversation, offering insights based on your actual history. These integrations turn ignored administrative data into a plan for your time, all without requiring any programming knowledge. Built-in tools are a starting point, but they often leave data isolated in separate applications. To bridge these gaps, you can use Google Apps Script to connect your workspace directly to the Gemini API. A short block of JavaScript can command the Gemini Pro Vision API to look at an expense chart in a Google Sheet, analyze the visual trends, and extract specific financial takeaways. The API then autonomously drafts a Gmail message, providing a contextual update based on the findings. This same logic pulls a text document from Drive to automatically generate a formatted slides presentation with structured themes. Utilizing APIs creates a data-to-action pipeline. Information moves between tools automatically, which removes the need for manual data entry and routing. Cloud-based APIs are effective, but they require sending data to external servers. For professionals handling sensitive company information or proprietary code, this creates a point of vulnerability. You can maintain total privacy by running open weights models locally. Desktop software like LM Studio allows you to download and run Google's Gemma 4 model entirely on your own hardware. Running a 26 billion parameter model smoothly requires specific hardware, typically between 16 and 24 gigabytes of RAM. Connecting this local server to an editor like VS Code gives you an offline coding assistant. It can analyze your private files and help build applications without an internet connection. This provides a secure, private automation environment that operates independently of cloud subscriptions or third-party servers. Regardless of the technology used, AI is a tool for optimization. It supports human problem-solving. It does not replace it. These models can generate inaccuracies or hallucinations based on their training data. You must verify every output to ensure it meets professional and academic standards. As these workflows become more automated, the human role changes. You spend less time as a manual drafter and start operating as a critical reviewer. You can start today by identifying one repetitive task in your schedule. Export the raw data for that task and feed it into NotebookLM to see how the AI summarizes the workload. That single step is the beginning of your digital exoskeleton. It allows you to delegate the heavy lifting to the software, so you can focus your attention on work that requires a human perspective.